there, Chad back at you with another weekly On the Clock tip and trick. In this video, our support specialists are going to take a deep dive into the PTO or paid time off settings inside of On the Clock. Specifically in this video, you're going to learn how to rename your PTO categories, how to set up PTO policies for single employees, how to set them up for employee groups, or how to set them up for your company as a whole. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Otherwise, happy time tracking.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up PTO or paid time off in your OnTheClock account via a web browser. So to get started, if you navigate to your time cards icon, and then if you click on the gear icon right here and choose Customize Columns, you'll be greeted with all of the time card categories that are listed. Particularly, we're interested in the 4 PTO categories we offer: vacation, holiday, sick, as well as personal. So if you would like all of these turned on or any of them turned off and you don't want them visible from your time card page view, go ahead and customize that setting now. You can also rename these time card categories here too. So if you would like to rename them to something else, this is how they will show on the time cards page. And then when you go to export any reports, this is the name that will show on the report. So once you have all of your PTO categories established the way that you would like, go ahead and press Save Settings. So for now, I just have vacation and personal time showing on my time cards. And now I'm going to go ahead and set it up inside of an employee profile. So to do this, go ahead and click on your employee icon up top and then choose the employee that you wish to set up the PTO for. You will do this inside of the employee's PTO settings section. So again, we have the 4 PTO categories here. If I did happen to rename a category, the new name would reflect here. So if I wanted to set up vacation time for this employee, I'll click on this, and on the drop down, I've got a couple different options to choose from. Go ahead and choose the option that best reflects your company's PTO policy. And then go ahead and fill out the information here. If you were to do accrue, this is what it would look like as well. And that's it. Go ahead and press Save Settings. And now your employee's PTO policy has been updated. Now that my employee profile is updated, if I would like to update more than just one employee at a time, you can do this through an employee group. So to do this, you can go ahead and go to Settings and then choose Employee Groups. You can do Create New Group. Or for example, if I go into my employee group here and I go to PTO settings, I can go ahead and set up a PTO policy. And then I can go ahead and save this PTO policy to this employee group. Now that my employee group has been saved, I can go ahead and go to Employee. I will choose the employee from the list that I wish to apply this to. Inside of the employee profile under General, you'll see that we have employee groups listed here. Currently it's not set. If I go to Hourly, I'll go ahead and confirm I want to change this employee into this group. And now my employee profile has saved. So if I want to go ahead and view that employee's PTO policy, I can see right here that everything from that employee group has transferred over to this employee profile. And that's it. If you have any questions at all on how to set up or apply a PTO policy to a single employee profile, or how to set up a PTO policy and employee group and apply that employee group to all of your employees, please feel free to live chat with us here down below, or feel free to send us an email to support@ontheclock.com.